Imagine a backyard wild and untamed, a jungle of overgrowth and forgotten potential. Now, picture it transformed into a serene oasis, manicured lawns, vibrant flower beds, and inviting pathways. A metamorphosis from chaos to beauty, a landscape makeover. Today we journey through a transformation process, breaking it down into easy-to-understand steps. Let's delve into the marvels of landscape makeovers. Step 1. Envision the end goal. Every great transformation starts with a vision. A beautiful landscape doesn't happen by chance. It begins with a clear image of the desired outcome, whether it's a tranquil Zen garden, a lively playground for the kids, or a sophisticated outdoor dining space. The first step is always to envision. Step 2. Sketch the blueprint. Once the vision is clear, the next step is to sketch it out. This blueprint is like a roadmap guiding the makeover process, defining where the flower beds will bloom, where the pathways will meander, and where the trees will provide shade. Step 3. Clear the land. This stage involves removing the old to make way for the new. It's time to roll up the sleeves and get hands dirty. Clearing the land involves removing weeds, trimming overgrown plants, and preparing the ground for the new elements. Step 4. Implement the design. Now comes the exciting part, bringing the vision to life. This stage involves laying pathways, planting flowers, setting up outdoor furniture, and installing lighting. Each element adds character, transforming the once wild yard into a beautiful landscape. Step 5. Nurture and maintain. A landscape makeover is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It requires nurturing and maintaining. Regular watering, pruning, and fertilizing ensure the garden remains vibrant and lush, a testament to the transformation it has undergone. And there you have it. A journey from a wild backyard to a serene oasis, a testament to the power of vision, planning, and a little bit of elbow grease. The transformation process is not just about changing the landscape, but about creating a space that reflects the homeowner's personality and lifestyle. So, if your backyard is a wild jungle waiting to be tamed, remember, with a clear vision, a well-drawn blueprint, some hard work and regular maintenance, it can be transformed into a beautiful landscape. If this transformation has sparked an idea or inspired you, do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more landscape makeover journeys. Until next time, keep envisioning, keep transforming.